Afe yenwura edwadie mu na edwadie mu nsam no efutu akọ de ama eye enwumawura no mu nkuma nkanka wo mu a edi wono mu mpanimfo ade no se eye a wonhwe se obema nhyedie mapa ahonidie mapa ene hwesopa akoso se be ye enwuma a ede agya wo mu anase wono mu ehweso no ebetimi atena ho dada.
Integrational Business Conference a Young Kwewu Forum ana womo organize ye sa dwumadie ede kwawufuo a woma benepa ewo dwadie emu ene behia ye dwumadie no ase no managing consultant Emma Family Office Africa lawyer Theodora Abright ede tudwa enwuma hodo a chepa ewo busuamu no egina se wo manfoi ehwe adwuma ne ye womo eye discipline na omo sama akontabuo ekonenim
enam say the business na ma no eno nkyere say wo do boss kamua na wafa na wadi eno nkyere say wo beba late eno nkyere say wo di wabusiafo beba business no na ma wo behwehwe omo chimo do omo nim business ne ye omo ani afi omo di nyansa beba bebo wo ban na business no akoso because business there enkoso krobia so ekoso no enkoso wo ho no ohwa ubehu se business family business and dey enkoso no eba.
Chairman Emma Young Kwewu Forum Yimano say in team enso edi tudwa modern bo a wo mo beye edi aboa emebunu a wo mo ye entrepreneurs a wo mo ye kwawufuo se ne wo mo nso betimi abo mo modern ama wo mo enwuma akonenim.
We are thinking of the future of Kwewu, the future of Young Kwewu Forum, the future of the legacy. And that future can only happen if we have certain plans in place. And those type of plans are, and this event we're having today is an example of such plans called the Intergenerational Business Planning Conference. Now, what is the Intergenerational Business Conference? Now, it really is talking about how can you, the founder, or you, the second generation taking over, transition the business to the point where it can succeed you and your children that come after you. So as you heard Madam Abnor say Poku and then Mr. Theodore Albright speak today, it really comes down to certain key policies and tactics that you can employ to ensure that your business outlasts you.